Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video I will tell you how you can easily find your lost AirPods headphones. Please friends, make sure to put your likes, write your comments, also subscribe to this channel. And let us get started with you. So, first of all, you will need to open the Find Me app on your iPhone. So, open it up. If you don't have it on your desktop, then you'll need to swipe from the top to the bottom of the screen. And in the search box, just type the name of that app. Find Mine. Next, click on it. And here in the list, you'll see all of your devices that you have connected to your iPhone. I have this, as you can see, my iPhone is here. Also my MacBook. I don't have AirPods, so they're not listed here. If you have them, of course, they'll be shown here. And next, in order to find them, when they're in the case, you'll need to press them. If your AirPods are not in a case, then you'll be able to see where both the left and right side of your earbuds are. To find them, you'll just need to tap on the name of your AirPods. And you'll be shown exactly where they are on the map at the top, both the left and right earbuds, and then you can find them from there. That, friends, is how you can find your lost AirPods. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.